Top Local Singles Review 2025 Legit dating site or something to know before joining. Most people get this wrong by assuming every dating site guarantees real connections. The surprising truth is that Top Local Singles has both strengths and weaknesses that users should consider. The platform focuses on connecting singles in your local area, which can increase the chances of real-world meetings. Its interface is clean and easy to navigate, with features like profile matching messaging and search filters. You won't believe how much easier it is to find nearby matches compared to general dating apps. However, some accounts may be inactive or fake, which is a common issue on many dating platforms. Membership verification is limited, so exercising caution when interacting is crucial. The surprising truth is that online communication can be safe if you follow basic precautions like not sharing personal information too quickly. Subscription pricing is moderate, giving access to most features, but you may encounter limitations without premium membership. Reading other user experiences can help gauge the quality of matches and avoid frustration. In conclusion, Top Local Singles can be effective for meeting local singles, but approach it carefully. Verify profiles, protect your personal information, and manage expectations to enjoy the platform safely.